There are many out there wondering if oil painting is toxic, or if they should avoid painting completely during pregnancy, among other concerns and misconceptions. I decided to make this video for those who are wondering about healthy conditions while working with oil paint, as well as pregnant women that are considering to keep painting. I am basing this on real facts, research, along with my own opinions and personal experiences of working with this medium for a few years. Just take this as a tip, but do what it feels best for you and what your healthcare provider recommends to you. In the end, you can keep painting with other mediums instead of oils, like washes and watercolors, of course. But if you're wondering about oils, then this video is for you. Oil paints are not toxic. They consist basically on oil and pigment. Even though several pigments in its usual presentation like lead white, cadmium and cobalt are considered dangerous, they cannot be harmful unless you eat them or sniff the dried pigment, or let the paint be absorbed by your skin. Even if the paint gets in contact with your skin, you can always wash it away with baby oil and neutral soap with no problem. You can see in the paint tubes which colors are more dangerous than others by checking this little mark on it. You will notice that the other paint tubes do not have the same warning, but it will depend on the brand and the ingredients of the paints you are using, so be sure to check it with your art supplier in any case. Turpentine and other spirits are toxic. What can be toxic in oil paintings is the solvent you use, like turpentine and other white spirits, even if they are odorless. If you choose to use it, do it on a well-ventilated area, but avoid using it as much as possible or avoid it completely when you're pregnant. You can change instead to water-mixable oils, for instance, where you don't need to rinse your brushes in turpentine but in water. I have also a video demonstration about water-mixable oils if you want to learn more about them. If you are looking for a medium substitute to accelerate the paint drying process, I would recommend Liquin, which is amazing for thinning the pigments and creating glazings. I only use turpentine to clean my brushes after a session of painting. When you need to clean your brushes, try to pour a small quantity of turpentine in a jar that you can seal. Open it only when you are cleaning your brushes in a ventilated space or outside. If turpentine spills on your skin, use baby oil to clean it and later wash your hands with neutral soap. This would be my main tips, but if you have a question, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Keep painting, be safe, and enjoy creating art. I want to thank all my Patreons because thanks to them I am able to experiment with painting techniques and to share my tips with videos like this.